How to turn off Media AI in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Media AI in WhatsApp. Before that, let's learn what is Media AI in WhatsApp. So basically, Media AI in WhatsApp refers to the integration of artificial intelligence developed by Meta into the WhatsApp platform. This AI can serve several purposes like Meta AI can Meta AI can suggest quick, contextually relevant replies to messages, making it easier and faster to respond. It can help users search for specific messages, photos, or documents within chats by understanding the context of the source term better. Moreover, it also helps users to detect and filter out harmful content, spam, or misinformation. But in order to turn off Meta AI in WhatsApp, launch WhatsApp app on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down and choose Chats. On the chat section, you will get the option for Show Meta AI button. As you can see, it has been turned on. So in order to turn off, you need to simply toggle off the button. And then after that, the Meta AI in WhatsApp will be automatically turned off. So that's it. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then hit the like button, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.